Discover the best of London and Islington Residence student accommodation. It comes with a wide range of ensuite rooms and studios, making this residence as a common choice among students. Each room features a sizable window, a plush bed accompanied by overhead shelves, and a side table for essentials. A designated study table, complete with free high-speed Wi-Fi, gives the perfect environment for completing assignments. The ensuite bathrooms are spacious and well-facilitated, which adds to the comfort. You can finish your daily chores in the on-site laundry, while the games room provides a fun space for socializing with friends. Whether you seek a focused study environment or a cinematic escape, this accommodation gives you both a dedicated study space and a cinema room. Located close to London Metropolitan University and Royal Veterinary College, the residence grants easy access to your university. Nightlife options include the Depot and the Lord Stanley for enjoyable evenings, while dinner choices range from takeout at Burgers, Fries, Chicken to savoring a slice from King's Pizza. Weekends could mean a visit to iconic destinations like the British Museum or London Zoo by taking a bus from Camden Park Road bus stop. Elevate your living experience by securing your stay at Islington Residence in London through amberstudent.com, stepping into the epitome of a vibrant and fulfilling lifestyle.